Hello guys, in this video I will show you a Google Chrome extension which allows you to auto scroll. So if you have a very long list that you don't want to manually scroll, let's suppose I give you the scenario. So I have this liked videos. So this list is very long. As you see, almost 5,000 videos are there. So I cannot manually scroll using my mouse. I will be tired. So in that scenario, this extension comes into the picture. So you can install this extension. It's called as Simple Auto Scroll. If you directly type this on Google, this Google Chrome extension will come. So this actually saves you a lot of time and effort. Once you install this, it's got almost 100,000 installs. As you see that Simple Auto Scroll. So simply click on Add to Chrome. I've already installed it. So once it get installed, this will be the icon right here. And this will appear right here, as you can see that. So once you click on this, these are the two values, scrolling speed and the pixel everything. And now go to the list, whichever thing I need to auto scroll. So click on that and set a scrolling speed. So I will set it to maximum speed, which is 50,000 scrolling speed and pixel every 1 millisecond. So this is the highest speed that it can do. Click on go. Let me decrease the speed. It should be 5,000. So this is the maximum speed here, 5,000 and pixel every 1 second. So now what you will see right here, I am not scrolling it. This extension is automatically auto scrolling the list for me. So this is really useful, guys. It doesn't require you manually scrolling the list. This actually saves you a lot of time. You can also switch to other tabs as well. It will be doing its job in the background. So it doesn't need to, need not have to be in the tab. You can actually do your work in different tabs and again come to this tab. It will be automatically be doing the scrolling in the background. So this extension is quite useful. I'm using it for past 2 years. So it does the job perfectly for you if you do want to auto scroll in Google Chrome browser. So this simple auto scroll extension is very useful. Simply install this if you have a very long list. You can use this Google Chrome extension to actually automate the scrolling part through long list. So it automatically scrolls. You will see it still doing the scrolling for us. So you can see that. So now at this moment you want to stop this auto scrolling. What you can do, you can put the speed to 0 and pixel to 1. So now click on go. This will stop the auto scrolling. So it's very simple. You put the scrolling speed to 0. That's all that you need to do. So now the scrolling will stop. As you see that now the auto scrolling has been stopped. So now I can manually scroll. If you do want to restart this, you put the value scrolling speed pixels every 1. So this will again start. So this is a really useful extension, Google Chrome extension, how to auto scroll automated in Google Chrome. Simply install this extension.